Hello. In my previous video, I was talking about the problem of modafinil tolerance and what is the strategies that one can have to minimize this problem by taking enzymes inhibitors for enzymes that are mainly responsible for the removal of the drug from your system. And today I'm going to show how this works. First of all, we have a group of enzymes in our system called CYP enzymes. These enzymes are category of enzymes that are responsible for removal of all foreign substances from the body, including drugs and also substances called xenobiotics. Okay, so when you ingest your tablet, the tablet is being dissolved and go to your stomach, then to your intestine, then get into bloodstream. When the drug reaches the bloodstream, it passes through the liver, and in the liver the synthesis of these enzymes begin. Synthesis of enzymes. In case of modafinil, modafinil are found to be metabolized mainly by the enzyme CYP3A4. So, CYP3A4 is an enzyme that is responsible mainly for the removal of modafinil from your system. So it means that by continuous administration of this drug, the expression rate of modafinil increase. So it is called the pharmacokinetic tolerance. And this tolerance becomes specific for modafinil only. Not this tolerance become for all drugs or all xenobiotics or all foreign substances that are metabolized by CYP3A4, but it becomes specific for modafinil. And the full mechanism by which the body can control this process is not fully understood. So, what is the solution that we have discussed in the previous video by taking CYP3A4 inhibitors to minimize or to try to control and minimize this problem? So we will discuss about enzymology. In enzymology, There are definition that we have to know about called inhibitors. And to understand how inhibitors work properly, we have to give an example. If we take our drug, okay, and we will consider that the drug is in this shape, this circle shape, or this half of the circle shape, okay, and we consider that the shape of the enzyme is the shape of the drug is like that, and the shape of the enzyme that is responsible for the removal of the drug is like that. We consider that is the CYP3A4 enzyme. And I forget to say that this enzyme is present in two systems in the body, in intestinal tract and in the liver. So modafinil, when you ingest modafinil, it is exposed to two types of CYP3A4 enzyme passing system in your intestinal tract before the drug have its way to your bloodstream, and in your liver when the drug become in your bloodstream and is about to be metabolized and about to be get out of your system. Okay, so we will go back to our topic. We consider that this is the shape of CYP3A4 enzyme, and this is responsible for the removal of this. We will find that there is a complementary between the enzyme here, the active site of the enzyme here, and between the molecule of the drug. So this enzyme will take the drug here and will inactivate it. And we mean by the inactivation of the drug is by inverting it to water soluble form to be excreted by kidney in urine. So we need to inhibit this enzyme to control the overexpression of this enzyme for our system to get benefit out of our drug like the first time. So what will we do? We will go back to our definition: inhibitors. Inhibitors are substances that have a complementary site to active site of enzyme, like that. If this is our drug modafinil, and if this is the enzyme, we will take an inhibitor which has a site complementary similar to this site. So we will consider that the inhibitor is of this shape. So we begin to understand the process. This inhibitor will compete the drug on the active site here of the enzyme. So this inhibitor will take some of the active sites of some enzymes and will give the chance for our drug of interest to be free of enzyme binding, giving it the chance to last and to increase its bioavailability. So by this mechanism, the grapefruit juice that we have discussed in our previous video running, there are some substances in the grapefruit juice. So the grapefruit juice today is our inhibitor. Not the grapefruit juice itself, no, the substances that is present in it. Mainly a substance called pregamutin. Pregamutin acts as inhibitor for CYP3A4, so we can come over the overexpression of CYP3A4 enzyme, and by this process we can increase the bioavailability of modafinil drug. I hope that you are fine and that you are in a good health, and if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you.